A ton of waste electronic and electrical equipment, WEEE, contains more gold than 4 tons of gold ore. However, in the UK we throw away about 1 million tons of this waste every year, much of it ending up in landfill sites. So now there are plans to start mining gold and other metals from buried waste in old landfill sites. Many metals can be recycled. This is when used metal is melted down and made into something new. These are some of the main advantages of recycling. Natural reserves of metal ores will last longer if more metals are recycled. For most metals, less energy is needed to recycle them than is needed to extract them from their ores. For example, recycling aluminium can use just 5% of the energy needed to extract aluminium from its ore. This energy saving also makes recycling metals cheaper. Recycling reduces the need to mine ores. Mining can damage the landscape and create noise and dust pollution in the same way as limestone quarrying. Recycling produces less pollution. For example, sulfur dioxide is formed when lead is extracted from the ore galena, which contains lead sulfide, and carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, is emitted when fossil fuels are used to generate the energy for electrolysis or reduction of ores. More recycling means that less waste materials are disposed of in landfill sites. However, there are also some disadvantages of recycling, including the cost and the energy used in collecting, sorting, and transporting metals to be recycled. At times, for some metals, it can be more expensive to recycle. The first stage of recycling metals involves collecting the metals, for example, taking used batteries to collection points in shops. However, for this to work, people have to be prepared to separate their rubbish. Iron and steel are easily separated from other metals because they are magnetic. Other metals are usually separated by hand. The metals obtained from waste are often melted down to form blocks and sold on to manufacturers. This table shows what percentage of metals used today are recycled.